Another little variation of the frog leg stretch. Feet together, knees fall out. This time, take your hands, clasp them above your head. As your legs are hanging down, you're just going to let your arms come up over your head. To get a stretch through our whole back and spine, get those shoulders involved. Everything's connected. So as you come up, you're going to feel that back want to arch up. Those ribs probably want to flare again. What I want you to do is let those arms come up and practice to breathe out while you stretch over your head. Bring those ribs down. Maybe after 2 breaths, you can reset the arms. And we'll go 2 minutes here. Arms up, keep the ribs down, breathe out. Draw those ribs down, breathe out. Hold that tension, breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Reset. Arms overhead. Tension in the core, breathe out. Keep the tension, breathe in. Tension. Fill up that low back. Breathe out. Breathe in, tension at the core. Reset.